MLA jangka Cambridge ka badero ka kurim jang umintri rangba ka jela ukanrat ke sangma ka Dr. Metap Chande e sangma kaloong bagi tiar belapin mi bat shna na ka diga than chate lamingi kilong ki bakong san na ba ki pen i bat ka daw ye ki jing yar pateng bala ai nudu kilong shwa man shwa bat kilong ki ba ya yo ba ha po ka ri India bat ki ba pau nam ba ha ki ri ka perthai ka Dr. Metap Chande e sangma kalakaran ye kini ki kentien habakaran kum ka kongsan bat hadian bala peliru ya ka National Buyer Seller Meet Cum Exhibition Indigenous and Heritage Products of Northeast India bala penlong da ka Central Agricultural University Imphal College of Community Science Tura Meghalaya State Convention Center Shillong ka Dr. Metam kala ongru ban ken tiu shu shu ye kitiar ban shna bat than de ki ti jong ka ni ka than chate lamingi ka long ka badan kam ban lum lang ya baro bat pin mi tang ka we ka sur na ka benta ka jingkiu ha ka yo ka hat om tang ha India hen rei ha ka perthai baro ka we kala ong hakum kani ka program ka long ka ba kong san na ba ka banjur halor ki long kami ki ba sengkam la jong bat kani ka long ka ba bha na ba ki kimi ki de ki nong da ya ka riti dustur ka custom bat ki jing yar pateng kalapin kan mau ba ka Meghalaya kala thaw ya ka prime program bala ple de umintri rangba ukan rat ke sangma house nam arja ka khandai ha ka ba kani kala ya rap shibu ni ki samla ki ba kwa sengkam la jong nangta ki nong ri jingri bat ki ba kwa ban te ye ki wei pat ki chatkam kalapan pau ka jingkerman bakani ka program ka ba arsngi balastang ha ka sing thodieng ka ba kut ha ka sing sachan kan yarap ye ka jing samlem ki jing te paranong sengkam la jong bat ki wei ki jing dan kam hagani ka singi ka kongsan kalal jingo ru ya ki nyok san telitam ki dukan balaple ye ki tiar ba pher na ki ba sengkam la jong na ki pratali ki chila la yo ki jingkran na ki nong mi khamat jong ki school ba pher na u dig bsf bat ki wei ki program
Producing these quality products is not enough. We still have a lot of challenges, as was mentioned earlier, in terms of branding, in terms of packaging, in terms of quality certification, in terms of digital marketing, logistics and access. And this is where a platform like this of Buyers Sellers Meet assumes immense importance, as they not only plug the gap between the buyers and the producer, but also transform our local enterprise into successful businesses and create sustainable livelihoods which will make a difference in our farming communities and artisans. And in today's program, I am particularly delighted we have paid a special emphasis on the women entrepreneurs, as women in the Northeast have always been the custodians of traditional knowledge when it comes to weaving or food processing, handicrafts and other local entrepreneurship. And hence, if we empower them economically, it is not only an investment in the families, but also going to be an investment in the future of our society. I also would like to place my deep sense of appreciation for the Central Agricultural University Imphal today for promoting innovation, entrepreneurship, skill development and technology transfer. They are not only living the true spirit of education, of imparting knowledge, but using this knowledge for the benefits of our society. By integrating scientific research with traditional knowledge, we can create sustainable models of development while we preserve our heritage and generate employment and income at the same time. Let me tell you something about the Government of Meghalaya program, which is called the PRIME program. And this program was launched by our dynamic Chief Minister, Conrad K. Sangma, in the year 2019 with the entrepreneurial ecosystem across the states. Today it provides end-to-end services from innovation to incubation to mentoring, training, providing co-working spaces and business advisory services. Parts of the program includes establishment of prime hubs, which are like a one-stop solution center for providing all the major support that an entrepreneur would need.